that you're on my mind, boy. You make me feel nice. I just wanna make you mine. I just wanna make you mine. Hey y'all, it's me, it's Nishaa on the scene, and I'm about to make another lit video. Hey y'all, it's me, it's Nishaa, and I'm back with another lit video. Okay y'all, so as y'all could tell, today's video is going to be me doing like a little declutter on my closet back there. And y'all, before I start, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, put my post notification bell on so y'all notified every time I post. And yeah, so I'm recording on my phone. I'm gonna set up the camera and then I'm gonna get straight into the video, but let me just tell y'all, okay y'all, so like I was saying before my phone storage was too full, so basically what I was trying to tell y'all is I'm gonna be doing a decluttering closet type of video today. And I'm not the type of person that shops online, buys a whole bunch of stuff and then, you know, throw away old stuff or give away old stuff and forget about it and so on. Like, just not. I'm the type to buy clothing and hoard it. Like, I'm gonna be stacking clothing on top of clothing, but trust me, I wear everything I buy, so I'm not wasting money, period. Okay y'all, so the thing is, I'm trying to pick out clothing I don't mess with no more, plus like fix my closet, because when I show y'all my closet, y'all about to see how crazy it is. Like, I have a bucket full of clothing in here. But anyways y'all, so I'm gonna probably sell some of the clothing that I don't want to keep anymore, because most of the clothing that I have I only wore once or twice. I'm gonna let y'all know which ones I wore once and twice or never, which is probably none, because I wear everything. No, it's one thing I haven't worn and I'm probably gonna sell it, but yeah, so I'm probably gonna sell it on Instagram. I'm gonna put the link to the Instagram down below, because I'm probably gonna make an Instagram for it. And yeah, so crazy mess that's in here. Like, are y'all ready? I need a drum roll. Okay. Y'all see this? I'm about to put you down. Look at that, y'all. I got my bag falling out. I got a bunch of like little bags back there. I got some of my shoes down there. Like, y'all see, I got a bunch of shit, like nonsense, in this closet. Yeah, I'm tired. These are old phone cases, y'all. Old phone cases from dumb long. Like, this one I had the 6S Plus. I'm about to throw these away.
Just put on your best self.
These are mad old and crusty. Say hello.
Hi.
Can't even see you, but anyways. So far this is the bucket. It's empty. I don't remember how it looked before, but it's empty. And then over here is clothing that I'm gonna keep and all that, and then over here is clothing I'm gonna throw away, and then right underneath this is clothing I'm gonna be selling. And I'm gonna be adding on more clothes to all of these clothing right here, so just stay tuned, okay? So I found my Jisoo Woo yellow bodysuit, whatever. I'm gonna probably put a picture up so y'all can see how it look, and it's in a size medium, and I'm gonna be selling it. So if anybody wants this, let me know in the comments before I put it up on Instagram. But yeah, it's just the yellow and black one. It don't got no stains, it don't got none of that. I wore it once, literally only once, and yeah, so everything is good about it. It's no holes, nothing, is perfectly fine. The color is the exact same that it came, so if you want it, let me know down below. Okay, so down here, I'm pretty sure y'all can see the difference. Everything is folded and put in an organized way. All my bottom parts is at the top. All my old summer dresses and shirts, whatever, is at the bottom because I don't think I'm gonna be wearing them anytime soon. So let's get into this little baby right here and try to make this look cute and presentable, because at least I can make this look cute and pretty. That over there, I can't make that look pretty because I'm a very chill, simple type of girl. So I have a lot of fall colors, as y'all can tell. I love fall. I love it. But anyways, let's get into these craziness over here. I'm gonna wait till this clears. Look at my cat, y'all. Just look at him. Say hi to them, Kiki. Don't. Why you on the camera? Y'all. Anyways, so I look crazy. I look greasy, whatever. But what you biting me for? Anyways, y'all, back to what I was saying before I was really interrupted by him. Look at him, ready to bite my finger. My cat be bugging out around this time. It's like 1 in the morning, but yeah, so that's the end of today's video. Hope y'all enjoyed today's video. I didn't really like decorate it and all that. I did order some stuff in my room, y'all, so stay tuned for that. I am gonna be doing like, I'm not really doing much to my room. I'm just gonna add lights and some fairy princess curtains and fairy lights, and I'm gonna just make it look mad cute and like, yeah, because I don't really be caring for too much. So I hope that y'all enjoyed today's video. It kind of took longer than I thought because I was gonna record 2 videos for y'all, but I'm gonna have to record the second video tomorrow for y'all. I got y'all. It's gonna be my reaction to DDG's Celine song, so got y'all. And yeah, so today's video, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, put my post notification bell on every time we go post, and yeah, comment on some stuff, you know, show love, show support, and yeah, so bye y'all.
Where was she raised? Where did she raise up? Came from the grave, now she chase paper. DGT